Hello, my friends. This is Misty with Read to Me Misty. We are going to be joining Fancy Nancy in Toodle-oo, Miss Moo. I have a feeling it looks like there might be some kind of a sale going on back here. So, let us start. I love Fancy Nancy. My family is selling our things that we no longer need or want at the Clancy Family Yard Sale. Ooh la la! Yard sales are fun. My family doesn't make a lot of money, but we have fun. Dad is very good at making deals. I set up my old things at my own fashion boutique. That's French for a fancy store. Nancy, is there anything in here you want to keep? Asks Mom. These are baby things, I tell her. Why would I want to keep them? Why are you selling your stuff? My little sister Jojo asks. Getting rid of old things is part of growing up, I say. Then I see Miss Moo. I got her for my 3rd birthday. She was my favorite toy. It's been forever since I've seen you, Miss Moo, I say. Remember when we first met? Miss Moo is just a baby toy, but I adore her. She makes different animal sounds when you push her buttons. Bree's little brother Freddie sees Miss Moo. I really, really want it, he says. I don't want to sell her. I want to keep her forever. She might be changing her mind. Miss Moo is not my best toy for sale, I tell Freddie. Sorry, I whisper to Miss Moo. I only said that because I can't give you up. I try to hide Miss Moo so nobody can buy her. I really want to keep her. But Frenchie finds Miss Moo. Dad picks her up and takes her back to the yard sale. Freddie sees Miss Moo again. There it is, he says. And he runs home to get his mom so she can buy Miss Moo for him. Bree wants to surprise Freddie with Miss Moo for his birthday. She buys her from Dad. Look what I got Freddie, Bree says. And she holds up Miss Moo. He is going to love this. I am more than sad, I'm devastated. I must get Miss Moo back from Bree. I catch up with Bree. May I have Miss Moo back, I ask. S'il vous plaît? That's French for please. But why? Bree asks me. I don't know what to say. I tell Bree I've already promised Miss Moo to a mystery customer who loves her as much as she loves Paris. Bree smiles. She understands that I am the mystery customer. Don't feel bad, Bree says. I still have baby toys too. No one understands me like you, I tell her. That's a nice friend. Best friends, you and me, I start our chant. Better friends there could not be, we say at the same time. We go back to the yard sale. Now I have to find Freddie another birthday present, says Bree. It's his 3rd birthday. I remember my 3rd birthday. Here comes Freddie with his mom. It's a cow who makes animal noises, he tells her. Sounds like quite a toy, she says. Birthdays are important when you are 3, I say. Freddie needs Miss Moo. Bree and I agree. Oh, that is so kind. Bree gives Miss Moo to Freddie. From me and Nancy, Bree says. Freddie is really happy. Thank you, Freddie says. It's my pleasure, Freddie, I say. Toodle-oo, Miss Moo. And these are Fancy Nancy's fancy words. Ooh la la is French for wow. Boutique is French for a fancy store. Devastated. More than sad. And s'il vous plaît is French for please. I hope that you enjoyed this story about liking something when you're little and then realizing that it's a good time to share that with someone else so they can feel that good too. Thank you so much for reading with me. I enjoyed your company. And remember to subscribe and like to Read to Me, Misty. Have a great day, my friends. Bye-bye.